In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design an invitation in Canva. Whether you're planning a wedding, a birthday, or any special event, Canva makes it incredibly easy to create beautiful, professional-looking invitations with just a few clicks. So, let's dive in and get started on your masterpiece. First, we'll head over to the Canva website. Once you're there, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the screen. Go ahead and type in invitation. This handy keyword search will bring up a variety of invitation templates for you to choose from. Canva offers a wide range of designs, so spend a little time here scrolling through the options. Take your time to find a template that really speaks to you or aligns with the theme of your event. After you've chosen the perfect template, the next step is to click on the button that says Customize this template. This will open up the template in Canva's editor where the magic of personalization happens. Now, if you're wondering where to start, don't worry. Canva's interface is clean and quite intuitive. On the left-hand side, you'll see tools that let you customize elements like text, images, and colors. Let's talk about editing the text first. Once you're in the editor, you'll be able to select any text box within the template. Click on the text you want to modify and simply start typing your own details. You can alter everything from the event name to the date, time, and venue. Remember, while you're editing, keep an eye on things like the font style and size to match the overall aesthetic of the invitation. Canva offers a good variety of font choices, so feel free to explore and pick something that fits the mood of your event. Next, let's think about the visuals. If your template has images or graphics that you'd like to change, Canva makes it easy. Navigate to the left-hand side for a gallery of photos, shapes, and more to add or replace images in your invitation. You can upload your own photos if you have something special in mind, or choose from Canva's extensive library. Just click, drag, and drop, and you're done. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save and share your creation. Click on the download button at the top right corner of the screen. Canva will offer you different file format options like PNG, JPG, or PDF. For high-quality print, I'd recommend downloading it as a PDF. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've designed a personalized invitation that's ready to print or send digitally. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to create amazing designs for any of your future events. Thank you for watching and happy designing.